Hi, I wanted to take a few minutes before class starts this week to show you how things are going to work for the rest of the semester. If you've been on Blackboard recently, you'll see that you have two new tabs added. You have one that has classwork videos, and you have this thing called Collaborate. My plan is to meet with you during class time through Collaborate. I'll show you how to join the room. My plan is that through Collaborate, I will do the classwork with you and then split you into groups and have you work on the group work together. If you are able to come and join us and collaborate, I will not collect anything for the group work. I will just give you the 10 points for being there. If you are unable to come to the collaborate session and would like to just do the group work as an individual, you are welcome to do that as well. You can then scan or take a picture of it and email it to me so I can grade it. Let me show you real quickly how to enter Collaborate. You click on the Collaborate link. It pulls up our Collaborate room. You'll see our course room listed here. If you click on the course room, it gives you the option to join or dial in. As long as you're using a laptop that at least has audio, you should be able to just join the room. If you have trouble with audio, you might be able to dial in. I'm going to click on Join Room. It takes a little bit of time. Once you get into the room, I am going to make sure you activate your microphone and your camera down at the bottom. Click on the microphone to activate it. Click on the camera to activate it. If you're happy with the video, you can click Share Video. That just means my picture shows up and you can all see me. I think while we're doing the sessions, I'm actually going to ask that you keep yourself muted. And then when you have questions, use the raise hand function so that I can acknowledge you, and then you can unmute yourself, ask your question, and then mute yourself again. We've run into some issues with a lot of background noise if everybody keeps their microphones on. On the bottom right-hand side, you'll see a pink arrow. The most important feature here probably for you is the chat session. You can actually type something in and it gets sent to everybody who's in the session. You should be able to see who all is in the session. Right now I'm the only one attending. And other than that, I don't think there's much else that you need from that one. You can close that out if you like to make the screen full screen. I will be able to pull a whiteboard up that I'll be able to write on like I would in the classroom to do the classwork. And then, like I said, my plan is to split you into groups and have you work in groups, and I'll float between the groups and see how you're doing. So if you can meet during our typical class time on Collaborate, I'd love to see you this week. If you can't, please keep up with your homework and look at the calendar. There are updated calendars on Blackboard now as well. Keep up with the calendar and get your work into me week to week. That would be individual assignments that I send to you, which I have not sent yet, and group work. Connect Math homework stays the same as it was. If you have any questions or if you need to submit assignments to me, like the group work if you're doing it on your own, please email it to estadler@cscc.edu. When you're ready to log out of the Collaborate session, you go to the hamburger menu up on the left-hand side, click on it, and go down to Leave Session. The other thing I wanted to show you real quickly is the classwork videos. If you click on the classwork videos, it's going to take you to the classwork for each lesson that we have remaining this semester. The PDF file is a document with the answers written in. The video is actually a YouTube video showing you how to do the work. We are going to start with section 3.1. You'll see the 3.1 is titled 88 miles per hour. We are going to be dealing with slope as a rate of change. You can read through the first paragraph. 1 says if you made $100 a day for doing a certain job, how much money would you make in a 5-day work week? What do you need to do to solve this problem? We know that we're making $100 per day. How many days are we working for? We're working for 5, so we multiply. So that's what that looks like. Other things you can find on here, the midterm and final reviews are open to you still, so those are available. And I think that's all that has changed, other than the calendar under course information. There is an updated calendar now, so you can see what we're doing week to week. We plan to stay on the schedule, and each week things will be due as they're listed on the calendar. The due dates on Connect Math are updated, so everything should be good. Please let me know if you have any questions, and please plan to keep attending. I do hope you can join us on Collaborate, again, which is a new tab on Blackboard, because it would be wonderful to see everybody and actually be together as a class again. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.